If your X or Twitter account has been suspended, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to appeal on x.com step by step so you can submit the right request and give your account the best chance of getting reviewed. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the X Help Center. You can search for X Help page in Google or go directly to help.x.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to sign in using the suspended account. This is important because the appeal form needs to match the account you're trying to recover. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you are using the correct one before you continue. Now look for the section that says About Suspended Accounts. This is where X explains the most common reasons accounts get restricted or suspended. Click that option and then open the article that says something like, "Why might my X account be suspended?" or a similar help topic related to account suspension. X often changes the wording slightly, but the goal is to get into the suspension help article that leads to the appeal form. Once you're on that page, scroll down carefully. You're looking for a highlighted link that says File and Appeal. It may be easy to miss, so take your time and scan the page slowly. When you find it, click the link to open the appeal form. This is the official place where you can ask X support to review the suspension. At this point, if your account is suspended, X may ask you to fill out a few details before you can continue. In some cases, your account information will automatically appear on the form. That may include your username, your name, and your email address. If that happens, stop for a second and make sure everything is correct. This contact information matters because that is how X support will respond to you. Next, you'll get to the section where X asks you to describe the problem. This is one of the most important parts of the appeal because this is where you explain why you believe the suspension was a mistake. Keep your message short, polite, and professional. Avoid sounding angry or demanding. Instead, clearly state that you believe the suspension was an error and that you would appreciate a manual review of your account. If your account was hacked, say that clearly. Explain that you were not the person posting anything unauthorized and that you believe the activity came from someone else. If you think the suspension happened because of an automated system mistake, mention that too. If your account may have been affected by mass reporting, you can include that context as well. The key is to give support enough information to understand the situation without overcomplicating it. Also, make sure your message shows that you understand and respect the X rules. Let them know you're committed to following the platform's policies moving forward. That simple approach can help your appeal sound more credible and reasonable. Remember, the goal is not to argue. The goal is to request a fair review. After you've written your explanation and checked all the details, go ahead and click the submit button. Once submitted, your appeal is officially in the system. From there, you'll need to wait for X support to review it and contact you by email or through the account details you provided. While you're waiting, keep an eye on your inbox, including spam or promotions folders, just in case their reply lands there. If X needs more information, respond as clearly and quickly as possible. And if your appeal is successful, you'll usually get instructions about what happens next with your account. So that's how to appeal on x.com or Twitter the right way. Go to the help page, find the suspended account section, open the appeal link, verify your details, write a polite explanation, and submit the form. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your appeal.